stays, or the surf, it stays above the water line and it lifts up. But, so you have two kinds of boats. The planing boat is like a surfboard and it glides on top of the water. It's like throwing a rock and it skips along the water. The canoe displacement, it cuts through the water like a knife. Our shoe, our water shoe, is it don't, although it's a planing boat, it's a wide, flat boat, and we're trying to get as much of it out of the water as possible to reduce the drag or reduce the resistance. So when you paddle, you're paddling less. So we need a little curve, but not a lot of curve. Now, we talked about water shoes, and we talked about. Let's start the water shoe at body height. First water shoe is about body height, and we talked about this shoe a lot, and we showed you a lot of stuff like this. Now, the second design is a little bit higher than body height. This one. It's a little bit more than body height, or it's a little bit more than the first one. The first one is here, the second one is a little bit higher. The first one is lower, the second one is a little bit higher. So we can, what are we doing? Because on the second we cut it a little bit more, so the parts we cut off, we add it. We add more length. So we can't go under body height because we're going to lose buoyancy. At body height we got buoyancy, so we go higher, now we can shape a little bit. So we can go higher, now we can shape. The same thing with a canoe. A canoe is 18 feet long, 16 feet long. But you don't need all this canoe. But to make the thing faster,